What is up, y'all? Your girl, Sweet Angel. I am here. I am here. I am here. I might be a little bit broke down because your girl finally did it. She got in there and started handling that bathroom. So today I just wanted to share with y'all my little progress, little process, the final results for right now, because y'all know I'm always changing things. That's just me. I'm a Pisces girl. We going like this all the time, all this. So ain't nothing gonna stay the same. Okay, I don't think you pretty much stay the same. It's okay. She might keep her hair color this color, yeah, and she gonna keep on trying to take care of the skin, and she gonna keep on lying about losing weight. That's always consistent. Okay. Anyway, let me show y'all this bathroom process, how I got started, what I was thinking about. Everything, for the most part, came from Amazon. So you already know to check the description box, because your girl is putting it all in the description box for you. I may have just a little storefront collage of everything that I purchased for the bathroom. So let's get into it, okay? Okay, I just took down the oil rack that I had up there. This is what the bathroom looks like right now. Well, I kind of destroyed it already. But the tub, we're going to go ahead and seal that off with some caulking tape. And we have a little paint touch-up we're going to do. This shelf is going to be gone. I have something else to go in place of that. This is the face bowl for right now. And we're going to go ahead and install us a removable vanity cabinet. And so let's get started. Then we're going to, once we finish touching up the paint, we're going to go ahead and install a floor down. And we're going to remove that little girl out of here to make sure she doesn't get stuck on the floor. Right? Right. I don't know how much time has passed since we chatted. I went ahead and touched up the little faces, cat faces that I needed to work on. And I went ahead and reinstalled the oil shelves, which I went ahead and put up an extra one because I'm trying to bring in most of my oils in here so I can utilize them when I'm doing my DIYs. Put on a cover for the light switch. It was a kind of a, bedazzled one, and I took that off. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to get started on the floor. I just wiped it off with some alcohol to get all of the, things that might not allow it to stick after I put it down. So I went ahead and did that. I'm going to start over in that corner area and work my way up. And then Mike is going to come in tomorrow to help take off the sink and the toilet. I don't think I ever showed y'all the flooring that I'm putting down. This is what it looks like here. Just a little squares with the self-stick back on it. As y'all can see, I have almost finished this process of putting this floor down tonight. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's probably like close to 11 o'clock p.m. And I am still going at it. Let me show you here. I'm just caulking around the edges here. I've already done around the tub there and around the toilet. And I just got to finish up over here. And I've got to finish around there. I'm not caulking around the sink right now because I'm going to make sure the vanity that I bought is going to fit around our face bowl basin area. And if it does, then I won't need to caulk. But if I don't have that around it, then I will need to. So I'm being quiet right now because Royal is asleep, and I'm pretty sure she can possibly hear me bumping around here. So let me get back busy and hopefully can knock out the caulking, and I'll try to put that cabinet or vanity together tomorrow. Y'all, I've lost my mind. I thought it was around 11 o'clock. It is 12:42 a.m. Am I serious? What? So I got a lot accomplished last night, as you can see. Yeah, floor is down and done, okay? And I had already showed y'all the shelves are up. Right now, I am getting ready to caulk around the tub, upper part here, and everything looking good. And I'm going to put my shelf together that goes over there. Got a new one of those. So I'm excited.
Free. The leaves are falling, but I'm rising high. Shook off the shadows, left the pain behind. Every storm I weathered taught me to believe. Now the sun is shining, there's a brand new me. I've been broken, I've been low, but I found my strength, I let it show like the river running to the sea. This is my time, my destiny. New season, a new me. I'm stepping out in victory. No more chains, I'm finally free. This is my moment. New season, new me.
And that's that on that, beautiful babes. I hope you like it. I hope you love it. And I hope you stick around for some more of it. So please do that for me. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.